Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to enable magnification VN accessibility zoom on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, scroll down and click on magnification. And if you want to enable magnification, so turn on this button and click on got it. So you will see turn off this button. If you want to enable magnification, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see magnification is enabled. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.